So I would have loved to take this, but there's no fair value gap in here for me to trade off of. We'd be looking for a long here. We're getting our close to our 10 a.m. reversal. I would like to see ES inverse these gaps. I like to see that become an inverse if we are going to go long. If not, we wait till 10:20, then we'll look for a continuation down. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna the only gap that we can inverse on NQ is this one here, but that's kind of far. Kind of pretty far. Just gonna stick to our edge, continue refining our edge. We're not gonna take a short here. We're too far down. Haru, what's good? What up, what up, what up? How's your morning looking? How's your AM session? I'm back, man. I'm here to just stick strong to my edge and only trade my edge, and that's it. That's the goal here. So no trades yet. Right now we're in the 1050 to 1010 macro, so we would be looking for a reversal here. If it doesn't occur, then we're going to continue down. I am slightly bearish, but I'm not going to really have a bias. Looking for a fair value gap, then the inverse of that fair value gap, and we continue. And then we reverse. That'd be beautiful. So let's see what happens. I like to see this little one stay open or create a new fair value gap in here. A little bit further down. This is just, it's a little too small for me. But it could work if that gets inversed. Yeah, if that gets inversed, I'm going to go long. Sticking to my edge, right? This is what I've been back testing, so that's what I'm sticking with. If this gets inversed, I'm going long. At the same time, I would like to see ES inverse these. That would give me a lot more confidence. Yeah, not looking like we're gonna inverse. All right, yeah, it looks like we're gonna just continue down. Possibly, we'll see. Yeah, that's a candle I would have wanted to inverse. Since we rejected it, it looks like we're just very bearish. Respecting all bearish PD arrays. But we'll see. I'm not going to take anything right now. We're going to wait till 10 o'clock. Might be running for this sell side. Down here, these are London lows from previous day. You take anything today? Still no news today too. So okay, so we got our 10 o'clock candle. I would not take this until this 15-minute got like that perfect. Now that 15-minute low got taken. Now if we inverse one of these candles, we could look for longs. We have another about 7 minutes to look for longs. If they don't occur, then we're good. Then we continue down. That looks good. So this might get inverse here, and then that'll be exactly what I'm looking for. It's kind of just refusing to break through that. Yeah, I think we're too bearish. I don't think there's gonna be any long opportunities. That looks good. But the 15-minute here didn't take this low. Yeah, not looking like it. Not looking like it. ES is definitely stronger. All right, there ES goes. ES has to close above there. NQ has to close above here. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, if we close above here on ES and NQ, I'll be taking longs. Probably targeting just like a 2R. That looks good. Alright, I'm getting ready to take longs as soon as we close right here. Alright, I just took longs. Stop at the lows. Stop at the lows. Here we're going to target 2R. Perfect. Alright, so here's how we're looking right now. Where did I get in? 22, 245. Yep, exactly right there. That's where I got in. So stop is at the lows. We're targeting 2R. And we'll see how we go. So just to show that is open, live open trade right there. And we're just going to trust this. I'm not going to, you know, close this out. We could target a little bit over 2R, probably these highs. And we'll see. We'll see how it rolls. I'm going to trust my system, trust my edge. This is something I've been practicing. If I get stopped out, it is what it is. I'm alright with it. Wow, look at how ES pumped so hard. Alright, we should pump actually here. I think we should possibly get a pump. This is alright. We could come into this fair value gap here. We are rejecting this 15-minute SIBI, but I'm just going to trust my edge. I'm alright with it. I'm not closing. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to just leave it and trust this. Trust this to do what it has to do. Look at this. We're below 12 a.m. open, below 8:30, below 9:30. We have Asia high, London highs. We took previous day lows. I think we have some potential to run. And like I said, if we get stopped out, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's part of the edge. ES definitely would have been the better one to take, but yeah. We could come into this fair value gap here. But you see, yeah, we're pumping on YM and ES at the moment. So NASDAQ is lagging a little bit behind, but it should follow. I have faith that it will follow. It's definitely much weaker than the other two pairs, but it'll do what it has to do. So I would like price to come up to here. Actually, yeah, that says. I put my TP at 9:30 open right here, because that will also give me about 1500, which is 50% of the way to pass the challenge. But we'll keep this at 2R, and we'll see how it reacts at 2R, and we could close it at 2R. Because my edge is just let it run to 2R, and then after that, just be done with it. Because yeah. It is what it is, right? Yeah, Nas is lagging behind for sure. It's being kind of slow, but I think we'll get the pump. That's our 10 a.m. reversal. Looks pretty perfect. Looks good, looks good. We still look very good. We could probably move our stop down to here, because if it comes back this far, we're probably going to get stopped out. No getting scared out now. I'm just letting it run. We reduced our risk, right? We moved it from the lows to here, and we should be good because we have a fair value gap in here too to support us. Should be good. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good to me. That's running. Big run here. We're at about a 1-to-1 now, risk to reward. But we're just gonna let it run. YM is pumping crazy, ES is pumping. So we're just waiting for NASDAQ to catch up. Simple as that. Yeah, it looks good. This is our overall target, but this is our original 2R. Only thing here that I'm not crazy about is the fact that, you know, ES already ran for, I guess, 930 highs. But the fact of the matter is that we're getting our 10 a.m. reversal. I need to trust this trade. I'm gonna trust it. I'm not moving my stop, as you can see right there. 400. We're good. We're good. We got this fair value gap in here. Let it run. Just let it run. This trade works. We're done for the day. This is going to be pretty much, this is our only trade this week so far that we actually took. Oh, glory to God. We could come into this fair value gap here. That would be fine. We could get rid of this, right? Because we already have the other one. So yeah, we could look for some support here. Should be able to find some support here if we do tap into that. But I would love just to see it continuing, just like that. Yeah, ES is also getting support here. That's good. YM is dropping back down a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, so this right here is our original 2R. That's our original 2R where we were looking for, and we're going to determine if we take off the trade here or we let it run to this full TP. Thanks, bro. Thanks. I went to the gym this morning. I usually don't go, but I woke up at like 6 a.m. and I was tired. I wasn't tired, I should say. I woke up and I was like, I don't want to lay in bed, so I got up and went to the gym. 6 a.m. It's beautiful. We're up 60 points right now. We got some buy side liquidity here. I don't want to see a reject after taking this buy side. As long as ES, I guess you can't see it. As long as ES is still holding this, we should be okay, I think. Yeah, we're pumping up here. So we did hit 2R on moving our stop, but I think we just leave it. This needs to catch support. All right, buy side taken. I don't want to see a rejection here. I want to see it to continue. That's good. You see ES is holding this BISI, so that's giving me confidence here that we are going to continue. That's the only thing that I don't like is how YM is acting, but I feel good about this trade. I can trim here just because we did take buy side and we're kind of like stagnating. Definitely going to move my stop, secure something. Maybe I shouldn't, but here's a new 15-minute candle. So we wouldn't reverse here until we took this high. So we should be all right. Okay, ES is pushing. We need to see support here. Definitely need to see some support here. That's good. Good. Catching support there on NQ is big. I don't want to see that inversed. But it is a new 15-minute candle, right? So what's it doing? It's creating its bottom wick. Literally the first 2 minutes creating the bottom wick, caught support. Now we should get some continuation up. ES is still holding this, right? Refusing to close below, which is really good. Yeah. ES held that, NQ's holding it. I think we're good to continue up. What I'll do is I'll move this to below this fair value gap. But I don't even want to see it come that low, to be honest with you. I just don't like that it took buy side and it's kind of going slow. But the good thing is, like, look how slow it's moving down, right? It didn't just reverse like this. So that's good. All right, ES is pumping, so that's going to be good on NQ. How's YM? YM is pumping. Yeah, we're golden. We are good here. We're just going to hold this. Once we break this, we'll move our stop loss here. Once we break these highs, I'll move my stop here. Not crazy about that. Just NQ is just being a brat. Okay, debating here what to do. Do I just secure 500 and be done, or do I let this run? Yeah, still holding that fair value gap. This looks fine to me. We could come in here, I guess. I wouldn't want to see that, but now this kind of inverse, so that's yeah. Everything else is pumping, so NQ needs to follow. I think it will follow. We don't want this 15 second to act like resistance. So we need to push through that. Yeah, we might get out of this actually here. Honestly, I mean, no, I need to leave it. I can't be breaking my rules. I just need to leave this and let it run. I'm overwatching. You know what I mean? We're still good. We're still... What is that? Oh, I must have had a paper trade on here. What? Did I have a paper trade open? Oh, 11,000. I had a paper trade open. I had no idea. Wow, crazy. See, good thing we're leaving this open. Oh. I don't like how YM is looking. NQ is pushing up. It's all gonna be how NQ reacts after taking this 15-minute high. Because it won't reverse until it takes that 15-minute high. We're in the 20 to 40 continuation macro, so we won't get a reversal here. We definitely won't get a reversal here. Can't say definitely, but less likely to get a reversal here than a continuation. This is a continuation macro. So that's an immediate rebalance. That's really good. I really like that. That immediate rebalance right there. Like I said, it's all going to be how we react once we take this little internal buy side. Because that's a 15-minute buy side. Imagine my trade closed out after Topstep did that. I would be so mad. Still haven't taken that buy side, so... That's good. We're getting some pump. So in this macro, like if I wasn't in my original trade, what I'll be looking for is actually like this, a displacement here, and then a follow through displacement through there, creating an inverse, maybe retesting and continuing up. Like that. But look, that's beautiful. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna trail our stop to here, because if it rejects here, it might retrace lower, and I don't really want to sit through a retracement. ES is looking good. YM is doing YM stuff. You see, I don't like how we're getting really slow around here after taking that buy side. I like to see displacement continuing. I love that, love that. Here's original 2R coming up. Original 2R is 32. Around here. So this was our original 2R right there, but we're going for that. So this is a 2.6R that we're looking for. We then moved our stop here, making it a 3R as soon as we got something. That's our original 2R. So right now we would have just closed out the trade. But we look pretty good. We look like we're gonna, yeah, like we look like we're gonna continue up. ES did take all the highs already. YM is doing YM things. We get a nice push up here. We just got a few more points to go, honestly, to hit our TP. Like that, beautiful. Yeah, previous day close. We just touched our previous day close. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Let's post this on the story. So, on the live, you could have taken this with me. I called exactly when I wanted it, what I wanted to see, and where we're going to. So, like I said, you should have joined the live. So again, very close to that TP. I don't want to jinx it, but I think it's going to hit. I want to see a displacement through it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Bump, 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 bump. Come on, give me one strong push. Let's go, Naz. Let's go, Naz. You're literally like 4 points away. Okay, NASDAQ, take your time. Take your time. Do what you gotta do. Definitely gonna move my stop here. I'm not willing to risk anymore. So, you know, trailing the stop below this fair value gap right here. We came like 2 points away. We're getting very close to that TP. Price is looking really good here. It might retrace, right? It's due for a retracement, but ES pumping strong. We got YM pumping, doing YM things, but it's pumping, and then NASDAQ. So this is what we're waiting for to see. You know, the 15-minute, as you can see, kind of filled all the way, so I still feel like we're going to push through. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now is the thing. Do I risk holding this? Right, because it might retrace. It could come into this fair value gap here, I guess. I don't want to see that, but it can. If we get stopped out, it's for $900. Am I going to be upset about that? No. I did want $1,500, but it is what it is, right? We still want to see this acting as support right here. Want to see that support right there. Looking good, right? Where's our TP is where? $30.52. Yeah, this is pretty much our TP, 9:30 open. Yeah, I believe so. Let's get this for the story. I'm posting on the Instagram stories. All right, caught support on that BISI. Almost there. Our TP is pretty much at our 9:30 open, so I do believe, you know, if the daily candle is going to be bullish, it's gonna go above 9:30 open. So we're getting really close. Stop trailed right to 900. Currently sitting at 13. It's just doing its thing. But with enough back testing that I did, I'm okay with this trade. Realistically, right now, I've been back testing just doing 2Rs trades. This is way over a 2R now, so it does come back and stop me out. I'm more than okay with it. We still caught that 2R. One second. I read what you said, but let me just see right here what's going on, because I'm not crazy about how slow it's going. So you said I don't know if this will help or not. Every single massive reversal is a reaction of a 15-second order block. Look at the low today. Market out scroll on your left. 15 seconds. Oof. Yeah, so here's what I learned. I don't think you were on my back testing my sessions. So the low or the high of the day comes and you went from 9:30 to 10:30, right? You have a macro that opens up at 9:50 to 10:10. 10 o'clock typically is the reversal candle. So if your low is set 9:30 to 10:30 and 9:50 to 10:10 is your macro, and 10 a.m. typically price will reverse, right? That's why we're only looking for reversals 9:50 to 10:10. This is my macro right here. 9:50 to 10:10, we're looking for our reversals. And look where the reversal comes. That's all you need. All you need is time. Here we go. 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 Come on. 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 Speed. Speed, baby. Speed. 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 Stop taking your time, man. Yeah, a new 15-minute candle set actually can create a bottom wick here. I wouldn't be upset about that. I'd prefer just run, but it probably won't just run. It can just run. Because my thing is looking at 15, I used to love the 15-second chart, but you see way too many things on the 15-second that I'm not crazy about. But you can use the 15-second if you're inside this macro, like I'm saying, and you know reversals are likely to happen at this time. Then you could be like, okay, let me jump in the 15-second and catch the very bottom of the trade. But I mean, like, look at this. This is pretty much the bottom of the trade. I'm more than okay with catching that. We have no bottom wick in the 15-minute. That's the only thing I don't like. This is a 20 to 40 macro, so we could come down here, create a fair value gap, a SIBI, and then inverse it. I wouldn't be upset about that either. But I would like this right here and then just reverse because that's our bottom wick on the 15-minute. Yeah, I got you. I'll check it out right after this. Yeah, let's see how this reacts. Original 2R was right here, so it's 50, like literally 50% of this BISI. All right, Price, don't do this to me now. Don't you be a little thing. All right, that's our 15-minute bottom wick. Now we should get a pump. Now we should get a pump to here. Let's check the 15-second, right? Let's see how we react off of these 15-second SIBIs. So we're kind of like hanging around previous day close. You see that? It's kind of interesting. I find that interesting. Now, I'm definitely not expecting a reversal here, but the only thing I am worried about is my stop will get hit. But the thing is, I'm not trying to sit through a retracement all the way down to here for it to possibly stop me out at break even. Like if I'm going to secure something, I'll secure 900 and I'm fine with that. But we should get some movement here. Bodies are still closing 50% of the SIBI. BISI, excuse me. We're okay with sitting through this, I guess. And if it does stop me out, it is what it is. Right at this price right here, I'm risking what, $200 to get an extra $500. So it's still worth it for me. I mean, I definitely don't want to see it take me out, right? But the risk to reward is still worth it here, right? My hard stop is at 900. I'm at 1200. That's $300 difference. I'm looking at 1500. Let's go 1501. How about that? Oh yeah. Let's see what happens here. And if we do get stopped, it's all gravy. But I would like to see a strong push up. Hey. Yeah, it's open. It's been open. I can change it. They just changed them not that long ago. Huh? It's closed? This closet right here. It's open. Last time he came in, one of the guys came and changed it like 3 or 4 weeks ago. Because my AC wasn't working, just changed my filter. No, it's a different guy. Yeah, remember my AC wasn't working, you changed the filter out? That was like 3 weeks ago?
So you're good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. You guys just changed.
This is the 90-day one, you probably have the 30-day one.
Whatever you gave, I can put this one in there if you want. Yeah?
Oh, the door's open.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got locked in.
Okay. Let me move the dogs.
Alright.
Give me a favor. Sure, stop. Very close to getting stopped here. Come on, Bailey, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. We got some things in here. Storage. Are you gonna lock it or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to?
It's a search, man.
Alright.
Pretend you locked it. I get a lockpick, I'm opening it. Thank you.
Take it easy. Alright, we're about to get stopped here. What is ES doing? I might move this just a tiny bit. Maybe give it a little bit more room. All right, that's fine. We got stopped. All good. Up 840, and I think we're done for the day. Yeah, that's not something I want to sit through. So all good. We did come extremely close to our TP. Unfortunately, it was 2.5 points to our TP. That is very, very unfortunate, but it is what it is. So trades 1. Wins 1. Where do we get 2305? Yeah, that's kind of big. All right, mark the low, scroll left on the 15 second. Right here, this order block. Yeah. Good tick. Yeah, that's pretty clean right there for sure. Damn, I'm sad. I was literally 2.5 points. That's just the name of the game. It is what it is. Oh yeah, look, that's also 1 minute. You got the 1 minute right there too. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Look at that. Damn. 1 second, I just want to post this last story. 1 second, 1 second. I'll be right there. So very unfortunate. Trailed stop got hit. We were 2.5 points away from full TP. So we secured 830. I moved my stop a little bit lower to give it a little bit more room. But we were looking for 1500 and we got 8 something. So that's all good. All good. Done for the day. One and done is all we need. Alright, put a line at the exact bottom of today, okay? I go in the 15 second. I get ADD, so I try to do things before people tell me to do them. So, what's next? Switch to left. Alright, I'll stretch your right and left. How about that? And then you tell me what to do. Alright. You said go on the 15 second? And scroll to the left. Oh, I don't think I can go back any farther with the 15. You know what I can do? Let me see some. Let's do that. So this is it right here. How far do you want me to go? These are London. It's a London session. What do you want me to see? Further? You want to keep going further? Or let me pick a bar and... Oh, I can't actually. Let's go like this. So here, you want me to look right here at this bottom? At these London lows? Right? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes? These are London lows, previous day London lows that I marked out. And that's the order block from the bottom. Wait, where's that line? Where'd it go? Oh, you know why? I probably can't see it on the 15 second. Yeah, I should be able to, so why can't I see it? October 9, 3/28. Yeah, right here. Okay. I don't... Why can I not see this line? What the heck is going on? I don't understand why I can't see it. Okay, here we go. So this order block right here, before pushed up. Wow, you see Naz literally ran all the way back to my this is why I trailed my stop. So what am I looking at? Which candle exactly? $328.15. Yeah. So you're talking about like this little order block? I probably wouldn't consider that a good order block. I would consider these three candles the order block. This, yeah, but I would consider this more of the initial order block, because this is the order block that actually changed that 15-second structure, right? And then everything after that caught support off of this little candle. Oh, okay. So I'll consider this the order block. All right. Oh, this? Well, that's not an order block. ICT's order block. Let's extend this right too and see what happens. Yeah, to the T. It's pretty cool. I mean, same thing with the actual order block. Yeah. So why I wouldn't consider that an order block, me personally, because here's how I look at price. Let me bring this back over here. Here's how you need to look at price, or how I look at price, is for every buyer, there needs to be a seller. For every seller, there needs to be a buyer, right? So if smart money, one second. So if smart money is right here shifting their structure, right, and they're ready to push price up, they need to buy. For them, they need to put in a large buy order. For there to be a large buy order, there needs to be a large sell order. So this last block of sells right here is going to be the order block that smart money just bought, and now price will not go under this if it's going to continue to be bullish. Does that make sense? This is the candle you said, right? But this is already a buy, right? This is already a buy candle. This is already a buy candle, so it wouldn't be an order block. If you're going to be an order block, it would be this order block right here, right? Because an order block is a block of orders being executed. So for there to be a large amount of buy candles to go up, there has to be a good amount of sells to come in to fill those. So these candles would be the order block that will push price up. Yeah, I mean, I guess everyone's different. Everyone's can't. But yeah, it's cool. If it worked for you, it's all that matters at the end of the day, right? That's the thing. With trading concepts, there's a billion different concepts, billion different things. You do what works for you, and that's literally all that matters. Damn, I'm kind of sad about this trade, though. This got inverse too. I was not expecting price to come down that hard. Let's see, we're coming up on our 1050 macro. I'm not going to take another trade for sure. This needs to be. So 1050 macro, I think if we're going to continue, I'd need to see a sweep of that. And then continue. But I already am not crazy about this because that's a huge 15-minute down close candle. Because now you can press $200 with 5-point stop and aim for whatever your target is. Yeah, I get what you're saying, but how do you know what order block is going to be reacted off of? You don't know until hindsight, for the most part. Unless you took that trade and you use those order blocks, then it's a different story. But like, you can only see that hindsight. You know what I mean? That's why I just, personally, I'm looking at what price is doing right now. Yes, stuff back there is good because it's extra confluence, but all I need to see right here is the fact that we displaced here, create a fair value gap inside of 950 to 1010 reversal macro, and then we displaced, creating a fair value gap, inverse in this fair value gap. So I'm good with that. Like, I'm pretty confident with that. You want to make a Discord? You want to make a Discord for us? At this current moment in time, for the next like few more months, I got so much to do. But I will eventually, right? My goal is just to become as profitable and consistent as I can by following my rules. And then after that, I could consider, you know, having the whole community and everything else like that. Right now, I'm really just focusing up on staying consistent. So I'm kind of disappointed with this trade. 30.05. So we did hit a 2R. It was about a 2.14R. Where's the side monitor? I'm gonna lock this account because I don't need to take another trade. So boom, that's it, right? No more trades being taken for today. We're gonna go ahead and export these trades and go ahead and upload that, and then we're done for today. Tomorrow we do have news, right? Today we had no news. So again, types of moves like this is also very interesting. But yeah, I mean, I'll stay on here till like 11:10. I want to see if this 1050 macro provides anything. But besides that, I think we're good. Good in the day. Did you take anything? Nice. Let's go. Let's go. You took it off that order block, or you took something else? Nice. Yeah, I think you, oh. Wait a minute. Would my TP have gotten hit if I didn't move it originally? Oh my lord. Please don't tell me. I need to look back. Hold on. I need to look back at this. My original TP was at 352.50. Oh no, we would have been off still. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, you want to know that's something that's even crazier is that I don't pay it. I'm not trying to add things onto my arsenal, but this is ICT's 2024 mentorship first presentation fair value gap. And we rejected off of that, which is kind of interesting. And this failed. It's like I said, it was kind of interesting how we came up to previous day close and then rejected. So what I'm thinking, there's a 15-second in there. What I'm thinking is if you're using previous day close closing price, 45 right here, right? Price came up here, got more orders, and started going down. So maybe we're going to continue to be bearish because we were extremely bearish here. 15-second order block. Let's check that out. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. At least ICT order block. I don't know if yours are different. Which one would yours be? This black candle? This first down close candle? This is your order block right here, right? This first black one, right? The bottom of it or the top of it? I mean, I guess it doesn't matter, the whole thing. Yeah. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same thing like we're saying. They're both like relatively similar size, so we could even go like that. But yeah, wow, look at that. Yeah. That's very interesting stuff to see. Let's see something actually. Closing price. Yeah, one there. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I get you. Yeah, I mean, I guess I was a little bit greedy on this. I still think that it's gonna run up, but at this point, I don't really care. if that's fair to say. I don't really care. My trades are done. Yeah, 840 is more than okay for me for the day. Yeah, that's fire. That's fire. I'm glad you took that. Let's look at the 1 minute. So this would be my order block in the 1 minute. Look at that. To the tick. So this is a 1 minute order block. Oh, sorry, that's actually 30-second. I'm on the 30-second chart. So it didn't even reach 1 minute. But 30-second right there did. Yeah, that's cool stuff. Very cool stuff. Yeah, so the account is now locked. Nice. Nice. As if it's working for you, that's all that matters. Yeah, so now I have about a year of back testing with what I just did here at this 950 1010. So I tested a year's worth of data from 950 to 1110. So 950, I'm always looking for a reversal. Then 1020 to 1040, here to here, I would be looking for a continuation. But what I would like to see is like lows like this. I wouldn't mind if I saw a candle come down, create a fair value gap, a SIBI, one pause, and then an inverse. That would give me another entry to go long. Then at 1040 to 1050, we're not doing anything. Then 1050 to 1110 would be my last macro here. So in here, I'm looking for a continuation with a deep retracement. So like this retracement obviously came way earlier than I wanted it to. And how deep it is, it's too deep. So I don't even know if there would be a continuation here. For me to consider a continuation, I would need this 15-minute low to get taken. But then at that point, look how deep we are. The only thing I would see is that this will continue to hold. But all good, all good. We can paper trade. If we inverse this, I mean, we could test it out. But I don't like taking it unless a 15-minute high or low is taken. Yeah, take it easy, take it easy. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'll more than likely be back tomorrow. Let me check what time news is tomorrow. Oh, where's this? I don't know. Yeah, we have 8:30 news tomorrow, so yeah, I don't know what time I'll be on. But yeah, good seeing you. Good seeing you. Talk to you later. Praise God. Praise God. I asked God for help, for wisdom, and he provided. Without God, I wouldn't have even held this trade this far. I would have closed it out here in any retracement. So I give it all to God. Yeah, I think I'm going to just get off and journal. Wait, are you still here? Oh no, you're gone. Alrighty.